Communication English for business and marketing oriented professionals. Chapter 1. Learning about an organization. Heavy machineries operational skills. Heavy machineries operation skills are knowing the machine, understanding the production process, safety, controlling, securing workplace, and teamwork. Knowing the machine or the equipment. Knowing the machine includes reading blueprints and manuals of the machine, understanding detailed parts, spare parts, and all pieces of the machine, mechanical calculations to be able to estimate weight and size of the loads, mechanical proficiencies to be able to use hand and power tools. A machine operator must also follow guidelines and regulations because a slight negligence could cause a lot of harm to the organization, to the manpower and products. Production process implies knowing behavior of the substances or the inputs, the estimated number of manpower involved in the production or in the project, and production time or processing time, and knowing the behavior of the output, its storage, temperature, delivery time is very important. Safety while operating heavy equipment is very important. The operator must be able to ensure safety before starting to drive, to ignite an engine or treadmill, secure properly the machine, check if unwanted object or visitor is around. We have to ensure the safety first. Then know the work tools, the hand tools and power tools. We have to be able to operate or use them properly, their names, and should be able to identify minor and complex problems. Yeah, because in case of minor or complex issues or dysfunctionalities, the operator must clean it, service it, fitting pieces, replacing water, oil, gas maintenance. Yeah, so if he could identify problems, he can also explain it to the workshop or refer the problem or take the machine to the workshop. Yeah, then teamwork and coordination in this case is also very important. The next point of safety is control, and control starts with self, which includes exercising patience, waiting character, and understanding others. Yes, the next point of control is health condition, physical fitness. Yeah, the operator must be able to control this, must be always fit to be able to resist harsh weather condition, because most of the sites or the machines work outside or in open workshops and must be ready to resist all the harsh weather conditions. It could be raining, it could be extremely cold or extremely hot, or at times might get involved with work underground if it is mining, or climb steep mountains, or stranded somewhere during the operation. So must be fit to resist all these things and must be able to help others around. The other important component is understanding behaviors of substances and materials, avoid any negligence on their handling, storage, temperature should be kept properly and transferred properly. Otherwise, it could cause serious economical damage and physical damage to the organization and the operators and all the employees and people are involved in that area or organization. Timekeeping is very important point. The operator must be punctual, begin the process or the work on time. It should not be too early, it should not be too late, otherwise it might cause inconveniences and wastage of raw materials. So punctuality goes in accordance with delivery time and expiry date. Delivery time should be considered also as a very important part of the timekeeping, because let's say the organization produces milk products which should be consumed freshly within 2-3 days. Yeah, they are best before 4 days after the production. And if the truck driver delays it, like he drives slowly and brings it after 5 days, then the milk will be wasted. It cannot be consumed. So these are Punctuality, delivery time, and validity date or expiry date are the important components of timekeeping. Teamwork is another important skill the operator must own or must exercise. But first, the operator must understand why he is in the team, who is in the team, and the degree of involvement. Then he can exercise it well. Let's say communication skills, how and why he needs it. Suppose he speaks many languages, he's multilingual, and he knows the language of the customers if he is working under multicultural environment, and it will be easy for him to convince them, to make them comfortable, and to realize the groups, to coordinate them, so they could easily build trust in him, and there will be less barrier of misunderstanding, and the division of tasks between the employees also, if they speak multi languages, and he can convince them, he can comfort them, he can feel them, make them feel that they are accepted, let them exercise their positions properly, then it will be very conducive working atmosphere for everyone. Then there will be good transfer of tasks, trust, everything goes well, and there will be success at the end. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and you have learned something out of it. If you like it, please give a thumb, and looking forward to seeing you in the next continuous episode. Thank you very much. Bye.